Thank you, Kamal, for the introduction, and welcome everyone who has joined this webinar. I think the idea is to create awareness regarding RDA, because when I spoke to Kamal as well, I think that's something where a lot of people actually don't know about it. We get a lot of queries from overseas Pakistanis who want to invest in the stock market. Previously it was a little difficult, but now it has become very easy through Roshan digital account. So that's an excellent initiative that the government has taken, and I think Jawad can talk more about it in detail as to how many people have actually invested in a stock market through their RD accounts. But I'll briefly talk about K-Trade, what our mission is, and how we want people to invest. So essentially, our mission is financial inclusion and democratizing investments. And by that, we mean that everyone, whether it's a local Pakistani individual or an overseas Pakistani, is to be empowered, and we want to enable them to invest in the stock market, essentially. So that's something which is our mission. So our mission is not to make any profits per se, but it's more about creating that awareness and empowering people. In terms of RDA, a lot of people generally don't know. It's a very easy process. All leading local banks are providing this opportunity. So you can actually open an RD account with any of these banks within 48 hours. The process is all digital. It's hassle free. And Kamal, if you can also tell how was your journey when you were actually opening this account and investing. So that's something that the process is all digital. You link it with your local remittance account, and then essentially you choose a broker. You can choose KSB, you can choose any other broker for that matter. And if anyone has any query or needs any help, I think we are there. We have done a lot of such webinars with different regulators, with banks to promote investment through RDA. What we do is primarily that all these RDA customers can eventually come on an application, which is K-Trade. People can download it from their Google Play Store, Apple App Store. They can download it, they can sign up, and once they have their RDA account open, they can buy and sell stocks using K-Trade. Our research is also very readily available. It's actually free. So you can go to our YouTube channel, you can go to our LinkedIn pages, our website, our blog, and actually see what reports we are publishing, what the research is talking about, and which stocks the research is also pitching. So that's something that is also there. So whoever comes on board, or if anyone just wants to know about stocks, can also go through all of this research. Essentially, why we are talking about it at this time, I think this is the right time to invest, because KSE 100 index has gone up by 40%. We know that companies have given more returns, like Pakistani companies have given more returns, even if you compare it with crypto, for example, Bitcoin as well. So I think that's something which is very exciting right now, and a lot of people are asking more and more about it. Technology companies have overperformed. There have been companies which have given more than 300% return. If I talk about technology, then TRG is one of the leading stocks. Like, it has given 7 times return. There's a company called Shabir Ties that has given 3. So essentially, we are bullish when it comes to the market, but that's also because in the past few months, a lot of initiatives have also been taken. So like RDA, there have been others. So regulators have been very kind to us, I think. They have driven the market by introducing all of this, and RDA is one of those. So I think as part of being K-Trade, we are bringing that awareness. We are doing our best in enabling overseas Pakistanis to invest, and they can easily do that using K-Trade. So yeah.